Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James is on track to return to its pre-Hurricane Melissa operating capacity within the next 2 weeks. That's according to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton. He provided details at a media briefing in Montego Bay this week. More in this report.
Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James has seen significant improvements since the passage of Hurricane Melissa last year. According to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, more beds, swifter discharge of treated patients, and strong logistical management around patient care have strengthened operations at the medical facility.
I want to just report, since I'm here, a couple of things. That we have had an enhanced plan to reduce overcrowding in A&E at the hospital, which essentially involves a number of things, some of which I'll mention here, but it has borne fruit, where even though A&E continues to require some additional work, it's nowhere near what it was 3 weeks ago.
Dr. Tufton also revealed the completion of 5 out of 7 ward spaces, which has added 84 new beds to the hospital's capacity. Additionally, the maternity ward has been fully restored and returned to full operation.
If you would have seen those areas just after the storm, they were roofless, they were waterlogged. We had to take out the partitions, we had to root out the electricals that were corroded, and of course repair the roof, put in the ceilings and replace those things that we took out.
In the meantime, the health minister gave an update on the medical dome that is expected to arrive on the island.
We anticipate that the base will be completed in short order, and that dome will come in a short while, and we move right into setup. And the expectations is that the dome will add between 70 and 100 additional beds. So if I were to conclude on the work that is being done by the team at Cornwall Regional, I would say that we are far better today than we were 3 weeks ago in terms of personnel, logistics management around patient care, beds and the availability of beds, and we are on track to be even much better off over the next week to 2 weeks.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.